Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth, so here we go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa and thanks for clicking on this video. So tonight I'm sharing an after dark kitchen and living room cleanup. I should probably tell you that I don't normally do the kitchen cleanup after dinner, my kids do, so that's why I don't film a lot of these. But for tonight I am doing it. So normally we just pack up the dishwasher, take away any rubbish, any garbage that needs to be taken away, wipe down the bench tops, wipe down the table, and that's about as far as the kids go when they do it. Normally I will wipe down the stovetop and clean this area up here, and that's the new stereo I got for my new car. So I'm pretty excited about that. So yeah, it's just basically a simple cleanup after dinner, but I thought I would share this in hopes to motivate you guys to get done whatever you need to get done today. Also, I think everybody needs motivation sort of after tea, because after tea is normally the time you try and wind down and relax, and sometimes you put off cleaning the kitchen up after tea because you're just tired, you just want to sit down and relax. And I know I'm guilty of it myself, and I know that sometimes the kids are guilty of it. This is a job I would normally do anyway. The kids don't do the stovetop, so I would normally do this anyway later on or the next morning. But getting back to the other thing, yeah, I think we all need motivation to do it, because sometimes, like I said, you don't feel like it. And I do find that if the kitchen is cleaned up when I get up in the morning, it's one less thing I have to do. So it's a really good what would you call it? It's a really good routine to get into, to clean up after tea. And normally I find it's best to clean up like after you've finished eating tea, because if you leave it till later on, after you've watched whatever you want to watch or just before you're going to bed, it's easier to put it off. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and please remember, if you do like my content, to hit that red subscribe button and also that notification bell, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
A bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you. Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty ugly from the minute that I met you. We just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure.